Well, good morning. Oh, I hear you. Hi. Today I am out at Arrastre trail camp on the PCT. I'm going to do a little trail maintenance. Um, we have here, let's see if we can get this. Anyway, so there's myself and the pooch, Tova, and we will be digging out the fire pit. That was a nice walk in. A lot of people on the trail today. I had the fortunate pleasure of meeting Mr. Darwin on the trail and having a little chat, brief chat, before he had to go crush some more miles today. So that was a nice thing. So I'll get back to work and give you what it looks like now. Again, and take a picture of it when I'm done. Alrighty, catch you later. What I came to do, so this is kind of what it looks like now. All cleared out, brushed off. You can see where it says Eagle Project there. I might have to come back and maybe do something with these benches. Maybe not. We'll see. And then over here, I'll probably replace this back onto this. And the table. The table is in still really good condition. And there's Tova. She wants to go, but here we are, the Eagle Project of 2012. Jordan Daniel. It's a nice campsite. Well, I feel good about that. That looks a lot better. Ready to go for the next group of thru hikers that come into camp. Well, and off we go. We're going to pack up and head on back down the trail and go home.